All right, everybody, Johnny here. I posted that I'm getting bees today, and we are picking them up. We got Grandpa in the car. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
Andrew back there. Say hey, Andrew.
Hi.
Andrew wasn't with us last time, so he wants to really be with us this time to pick up our new colonies. Last time we picked up 2 packages. This time we're picking up 2 nukes instead. And if you guys don't know the difference, packages don't have any frames, and it's a bunch of bees in a box with a new queen. And nukes is 5 frames deep, full of brood, and an already established queen and already established comb. So we just have to take these frames and stick them right into our box. So anyways, we're waiting in line right now. Here, I flip the camera around. We're staying in line. We just gotta sit and wait now until we get our bees, and then we're gonna throw them in the back of this Outback. So, see you soon. Okay, we just got home. The bees are here. And they sat in the car for a few hours. I wouldn't suggest doing it because they were pretty upset at us. At least they're very active. Here, I'll show you the bees, and then we're gonna install these puppies. Puppies. Alright, so this is what the nuke packages look like. And if you can look in there, you can see all those beautiful girls moving around. Over here's the other package we got. Can you hear them? Look at them moving around. So pretty cool stuff, right? As you can see behind me, we've got hive A, hive B. These bees are about to get released. So Andrew's gonna record for me. Here's Andrew. Andrew, say hi.
Hi.
You ready to get our bee on?
Yep.
Okay, here I'm gonna hand you the phone once you get your gloves on. I'm gonna have you record everything. Make sure that as long as it says it's a stop button, everything should be cool.
Okay.
Got our hive tool. Put that in our hive tool spot there.
What else you got in there?
I know, that's what I was wondering. You heard that too?
Yeah. Is it a magnet?
Screws. I don't know why I got screws in there. But I got shungite too in my pocket. Try not to zoom in and out, please.
I'm trying to zoom out because it was already
No,
zoomed in.
just leave it like that. Look. Shungite. When you guys start zooming in and out when you're recording, people start feeling really sick to their stomach.
Well, okay.
Alright, come on. Let me just spray all that. Pretty soon I'm going to be doing this without I might just do it with my soup and not the mask. We'll see. Be careful, Grandpa. Got Grandpa over here. He's going to watch us do the deed. Look. Grandpa's chilling. You ready to see this go down, Grandpa? Okay. If you get stung and you're allergic, we know where the epinephrine is. Yeah, it's pretty rare people get stung by honeybees, though.
Aren't the hives backwards? Where's the hole where they come out of?
The very top.
Could Grandpa record it?
Yeah, probably. Grandpa, will you record it?
From here?
No, Andrew, you record it.
It's good from here, Big Johnny.
No, I want you to record it. I guess, I mean, you could record it. You could sit right here even and probably be okay. But I won't be able to narrate anything on the camera, Andrew.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's do it. I gotta do most of everything anyway. Okay, so this is sugar water. I'm just kind of spraying sugar water on there. Put some in here. All right. I'm just gonna open this up and we're gonna stick them in. Got to be very careful though. I'm actually gonna do it like this. And this will probably make it a little bit easier on us. Okay. Hi, girls. As you can see, there's 5 frames, just like they promised. It's gonna go up. And we gotta be careful not to roll our queen. One. Two. I'm not going to look for the queen. I don't want to. I just want to get them in here and let them get going. You know what I mean? I'm not using smoke because I'm using sugar water. This is the hardest one here. This next one's the toughest. Because I gotta slide it in there without knocking any bees off. So let's just go like this. I'm gonna just set this down right here. That's what we'll do. Alright ladies, watch out. This is like probably the one with the queen on it. It's got so many. And now if I do it this way, slide that in, slide this in, and hopefully I can fit this frame right back in here. Oh, that's tight. It's super tight.
Remember last time they put 2 frames together?
Okay. With the bee patty. There's the pollen patty.
I put it in the shop.
Let's pray to God we didn't hurt our queen. We've got bad luck with that around here. That ladies. Alright girls, make some honey. Okay, they are in. Come back, they should hopefully go into their hive. Oh shit, forgot one thing. Let's put the lid on. There we go. See, these girls know where their queen is, so they'll get back in their home soon. Okay. Boy, these guys are... This is a good looking hive here. Alright, Queen. Don't fall. You smell bananas?
Nope.
Me neither. It's okay, girls. Don't worry. My buddy's been feeding you. Don't worry. Look how full this sucker is. You see all the brood?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Sorry. This one's heavy as shit. Oh my crap, that sucker was heavy. Okay. This in. God, they're so squished in there. I almost wonder if we should keep one frame out.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm not sure. Let me see how hard it is to get a frame out if I wanted to. Yeah. Let's
Yeah, let's say take one out.
let's take one out. It's just too much. Give me that. Pretty please. Thank you, sir. Grab that. It's gonna fall. It's fine. There.
Should we space them out evenly?
I space them out from these two backs, but not. You don't want to space them out evenly.
Oh,
Alright,
so
tried
build
that.
between it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, girls.
Right here.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta get that other frame out of here. There's just way too many in there. These guys are gonna get mad at me. Seriously? You just did this to us. Now you're opening it back up, huh? You big jerk.
Oh, we didn't put the pollen patty in the other one.
Right, we didn't. They're gonna be pissed. Really messing up, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. Where's the other palm pad inside?
Yeah.
Come in here, girls. It's getting hot.
Yeah.
Check.
Whoa.
Hmm.
All the bees flying around.
A lot of bees flying around. They'll settle down. There we go. All right.
Should I end the video?
Not yet.
Okay.
You know,
Should we just let them clean all that up?
you think I should?
I think so.
Maybe I should.
Because they can eat the pollen and honey and stuff that's in it.
Okay. Garbage. Actually, they can eat this too. Forgot about that. They'll get this stuff cleaned up real fast. All right, you guys. Well, there you have it. We've got our bees installed from Nuke Packages. I think I'm gonna let this honey stay out so they can eat on it, munch on it a little bit while they get themselves figured out. But as you can see, it's a pretty stressful ordeal. Each time is kind of stressful, but these girls look like they're pretty good. This hive's a little upset, I think, more than these guys, but we'll just leave them alone now and give them some time to find their homes. There. Try to get them to go to their door. So, anyways, this is Johnny with Sacred Bee Naturals. Hive 2, quick update. Our last hive died. We had to move them in the middle of the winter. They molded up, they died, but they left some good honey back for these guys. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I love you all. Peace out. This is what I just did. Tube colonies.